Delhi maximum city Mumbai is also currently reeling under COVID crisis. While it has relocked, it is yet to see a dip in its daily numbers. Hospital horror stories continue to haunt Mumbaikars as well. India Today's Pankaj Upadhyay visited one of the Mumbai COVID jumbo facilities there. Here's what he found.
First, a scrub suit. On top of it, the PPE. Add to it 2 pairs of surgical gloves, 2 face masks, goggles, and a face shield. Taking abundant precaution, we entered the COVID facility.
The COVID situation in Mumbai continues to remain grim. There are around 150 COVID hospitals, which include many jumbo facilities as well. We are in the Nesco Jumbo COVID facility in the suburban area of Goregaon. From this very place, we are now going to get you the ground report.
Nesco is among the 6 jumbo COVID-19 field hospitals in Mumbai. It has 2,015 beds and an ICU capacity of 200 beds. 210 doctors are on duty in various wards. 11 consultants in ICU, 138 RMOs, with 730 ward boys among other staff. The Nesco Center is one of the biggest facilities in the city. Inside the facility, we spoke to patients for their account of the situation. Vikas Soni, a businessman from Sion in Mumbai, he chose the government facility over a private hospital, knowing fully well getting a bed would not be an easy task.
The doctors will be there on time to time food, time to time medication, time to time checkups, the oxygen level checkups, the sugar level checkups, each and everything. They are done in a cyclical manner, so there is no problem at all.
How would you rate this facility at the Nesco ground in Goregaon?
I'll say 5 star. I'll give 5 star.
As cases rise in Mumbai, many have complained of shortage of beds. The BMC claims it is citizens who prefer private facilities who are facing such issues. They say the search for a bed in a private hospital also delays treatment sometimes.
अच्छे से देखभाल हो रही थी, सब अच्छा चल रहा था, लेकिन जो उनके पिताजी थे वो हर बार हमको बोल रहे थे कि मैं ये पेशेंट को बाहर लेना चाहता हूँ, मुझे बाहर लेके जाना है, आप इनको डिस्चार्ज दीजिए। हमने उनको बहुत समझाया, अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है, एवरीथिंग सब कुछ मिल रहा है, लेकिन वो जिद पकड़ के रहे। हमने बोला ठीक है आप ले जा सकते हैं, और वो लेकर गए। अभी मैं आपको बताऊं, यही फादर ने मुझे कल फोन किया, मैडम मैं गलत था, आप जो कह रही थी वो एकदम सही था, प्लीज मेरे डॉटर को वापस ले लीजिए।
The dean maintains the facilities are among the best in the city and they have no shortage of beds or remdesivir injections.
बीएमसी की तरफ से, अथॉरिटीज की तरफ से बहुत सपोर्ट है। हमारे यहाँ पूरा स्टॉक है रेमडेसिविर का, टोसिलिजुमैब, ऑक्सीजन का, फेवी फ्लू, ओसेल्टामेर या जो भी ब्लड थिनर्स हैं, पूरा स्टॉक सप्लाई है।
BMC says that there is a mechanism already in place with which a patient gets the bed through ward war room. In any other situation, that is, if the patient goes directly to the hospital, a bed will not be allocated. BMC also says that there are many people who insist on going to the private hospitals or hospitals of their choice. That has only resulted in shortage of beds in the last many days. BMC also says that in many jumbo facilities and the hospitals like this one at Nesco in Goregaon, there are beds in abundant and that there are enough facilities as well.
There is, however, no denying that medical oxygen has become a concern for almost all COVID-19 hospitals in the city. While the administrators say there is enough backup, the ward boys have different story to tell.
फिलहाल ये हफ्ते से बहुत कमी है इधर नेस्को में। अभी तो ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि पेशेंट्स को हम लोग निकाल के कहाँ से ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबल कर रहे हैं। तो अभी भी एक पेशेंट है जो 6 लीटर्स पर मिनट के ऊपर ऑक्सीजन का लेवल उनका चालू है, और ऐसे बोला गया है कि अभी वो लास्ट सिलेंडर है। अगर उनको नहीं मिला तो बोल नहीं सकते कि उनका क्या होगा इधर।
India Today also went inside the ICU ward for a reality check. The ICU at Nesco Center is filled to capacity. Even the 200 beds here at this jumbo facility seem to be falling short.
BMC says that the count of cases in Mumbai has stabilized between 8,000 to 10,000 cases. But the next 15 days are going to be very, very crucial, and that each and every Mumbaikar needs to strictly abide by the COVID safety rules. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay reporting from